New and improved Model 2.0 Wi-Fi timer, features numerous upgrades and replaces the obsolete ST8I-Wife. Wi-Fi signal conveniently places control of your timer in the palm of your hand. Super easy to program, allows access to timer functions from anywhere in the world. Compatible with Amazon Alexa, Apple iOS 8 or greater, and Android 4.4, KitKat, or later. Access timer functions via wireless network, in-range mobile device, or directly through control panel. Daily watering schedule automatically adjusts based on season, local weather, temperature, and humidity. Enable notifications in the Rainbird app to be informed of what's happening in your yard even when away from home. Watering delay feature suspends watering from 1 to 14 days, programming resumes automatically once delay has ended. EPA WaterSense certified to provide at least a 20% water savings over non-certified timers. Top reviews from the United States. Smart controller. This has made life so convenient. Example. I was laying in bed about to go to sleep. Boom thunder, and it started pouring down rain. Instead of having to hop out of bed and go to the garage turn off the sprinkler controller, I just grab my phone off the nightstand and temporarily turn off the controller for 24 hours. How cool is that?